Thank you, Meredith. 15 minutes till 7 now. As you know, we're coming up on Mother's Day weekend, and it turns out there is a company placing an actual value on the all-important job of being a mom. Our Ashley Glass is live now in the studio. And Ashley, this is a big one on Facebook page this morning. People are trying to guess exactly how much a mom would make if that were actually a paying job. And of course, most mothers would say, yes, it should be.
Yeah, it's tough to guess. Some of the guesses I'm seeing too, Dia, are $150,000, more than the president, and even priceless. I'm sure you'd agree with that one there.
Yes.
Salary.com, though, has actually figured an actual number. They surveyed more than 6,000 mothers. They determined what the value is in the job of mom.
Almost 9:30 at this family home, and the mother has already dropped the two kids at school and made her way home from the gym.
I have a routine.
Charmaine House is a stay-at-home mom.
We just felt it was the right thing for me to raise our children.
She tells me that entails cleaning, cooking, laundry,
You know, we need fruit.
grocery shopping, helping at her kids' schools,
And then anything that the PTA needs.
and taking care of the kids after school.
Sit down and we can do homework and talk, and then it's dinner time, bath time. So I try to do as much as I possibly can.
Charmaine and her husband, Kip, who is in construction, can only guess what the stay-at-home mom job is worth.
At least at a minimum, I would say $60,000.
I'd say a good 65, 70,000 a year. Am I close?
Nope. Try almost double that. Salary.com just put out their annual mom salary survey, and it found if a stay-at-home mom was a paying job, she'd earn just over $115,000 a year.
I wouldn't argue with that. I'll take it.
It's actually a real number. We just need to find out who we go to get that number.
Salary.com gets the $115 grand by wrapping 10 jobs into one stay-at-home mom position, like CEO, van driver, and cook. And they decided a typical stay-at-home mother works 97 hours a week.
I don't think there's anybody who's going to outwork her, without a doubt.
Being a stay-at-home mom and raising your children, that's the most rewarding job and the hardest job you'll ever do.
I think a lot of moms would agree with that. Well, Salary.com also calculated what a working mother would make, and on average, that's just over $63,000 on top of their salary at their actual workplace. And there's this cool feature too, Dia, where you can put in your mom's name, her profession, and the zip code, and you come up with an actual check for your mother. So I did one for you with your kids and your zip code. So I have a check for you here for $59,599. I'll put it in your mailbox.
Okay, are you good for it?
Sure.
Check's in the mail.
Yep, it'll be right there.
Most moms would say, Ashley, if you really want to pay us what we're worth, just leave that check blank.
There
Let
you
us fill it
go.
out.
Good point.
Thanks, Ashley. Really cute story.